What's up, cool cats and kittens? It's Uncle Mad, Nephew P here on what is unfortunately kind of a sad day. It is the day that we have to bite the bullet and start taking down the Christmas decorations. The tree has been up as long as we can let it up, and it's time to move on and wrap up. We've got all the ornament boxes out. We're about to start disassembling things and putting them back.
This is Batman.
But I didn't want to document that. That's not what this vlog is going to be about, because taking down Christmas decorations is always a bummer. It's especially a bummer this year and with everything that's going on. So before we move into the sad season of January, the semi-sad season of February, we got Valentine's in there, so that's great. Really, things don't pick back up till March when my birthday and St. Patty's Day comes around, so the countdown's on.
My birthday already happened not too long ago.
Nobody cares. It's my time. Your birthday's past, it's my time now. Before we move on into that part of the season, I thought, let's wrap up 2020. Let's firmly put it behind us by taking one last look back at the highlights from 2020. Yes, there were some. They were all on my vlog and nowhere else. So without further ado, let's throw it to the best of the vlog 2020.
We even got soccer.
Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Uncle Mad here. If you're like me, you're starting to go insane from being cooped up in your house while social distancing from everybody. But, you know, as I would have predicted beforehand, the Tower Terror is your champion. It is the best attraction at Walt Disney World.
Tell Larry to lay down his claw, 'cause I saw Toby, now I understand. I saw Toby, and Toby saw a man.
So a storm's rolling through right now. You can see the power is kind of flicking on and off. I didn't shut the door, just in the wind just pulled it shut. All right, so there you have it. There is one step left. These do have to go in the refrigerator. We let them chill and let them set. So I don't know. Maybe after they go in the refrigerator for a little while and set, maybe they'll come out actually looking like zebra domes. The answer is no. Oh me, oh my. That looks like a mess. But we're gonna have to taste it. We didn't come this far to just look at them, so. I mean, it's not terrible. I'm very happy today to be sitting with Joe. We're gonna talk about Joe's past, some things that he has not felt comfortable talking about in the past. But it's time for the truth to come out.
And 2 hours later, we have a pool. Or sort of a pool.
can't go swimming right now. All right, quick update on the backyard project. Originally, we were going to wait to actually get in the pool until the deck was finished construction, but Aunt Jesta got impatient.
Don't call me Aunt Jesta.
That's your name in the series. That's your character's name.
It's creepy. I don't like it.
Decided that was taking a little too long for her liking, so the pool is open. We are using the
Rickety ladder.
rickety, basic, janky ladder.
Play your palm. Don't know why.
Anything you have.
Hey guys, how's that? Cool? Thanks.
They should. I mean, maybe
I'm gonna go again. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Was that fun? Cool.
We're going all the way. Nashville hot first. Oh my.
But at 10:40.
And we're back.
And then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Oh, he got blown up! Let's get out of here! What the?
Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
It appears the resistance isn't aware that I betrayed them at every opportunity I got. Whatever is in this dadgum foam has lit my lips on fire. They're just like, it's not burning, it's just tingling. I'm gonna finish it though, because that's what we do here on the channel. We power through, make the sacrifices for you, the people. Here you go. Well, if I didn't mention, this does have alcohol in it. I'm not normally a drinker, but like I said, anytime I have to do something for you people, I make the sacrifices. When in Rome, I'll see myself out. Oh!
What's going on out there? Hi,
Now normally, you know, I'm not a drinker, but Duffman has insisted, so I'm trying a Duff beer. Good work, Duffman. That tastes pretty good. Finished up on the Mummy. That ride is hot.
Underrated.
Very fun, but it was a little rough today. I think I crushed my intestines.
The ride's highly overrated.
Underrated. No, I love that ride.
Overrated.
No, I love that ride. Just people don't talk about it very much for whatever
Called
reason.
it overrated.
I said underrated.
Rewind it.
The tape won't lie. Big Mouse. Disappeared. Voila. Mickey Mouse. You already knew that though. It's obvious that it's Mickey Mouse. See the famous ears? He's waving hello to you. Pants with his buttons, shoes, and I signed it. So we did it. Mickey Mouse, first painting in the books. It's pretty easy. I think I've got a knack for it, so probably gonna do some more. Probably not. Good bread?
Yeah, I like this.
It's got hot stuff on it.
Okay. Like hot. Not too hot. That's hot. It's so hot.
You're gonna eat more?
Ah, too hot. Ah, my mouth.
We lost Parker. Back at Nissan Stadium, home of the Titans and Nashville Soccer Club.
So before you get too into it, you need to finish so you can edit these together.
NSC. NSC.
Let's go! Bye, guys. Bye. Have fun. Bye. Hey, see ya. Let's go, Titans. See you, Buffalo. Hey, Buffalo.
Got a few familiar faces sitting down in the end zone here today. I feel like I know these guys. Definitely know that guy. That guy looks from. Bye, Kyle.
Bag.
That's all for Kyle tonight.
Made it.
Okay, this is gonna be where it gets tough. Oh, impressive. Now you just gotta go down. Oh, fail. And you lost a shoe, double fail.
Try again where I started.
Okay. I'll cut out you falling so nobody sees you fall down like a goofus.
Not really. I'm gonna leave it in.
No! Ow!
I know you got up there originally. What's happening to you?
Retry. Made it! Okay, when it goes down, it goes like up more.
Nice, good save.
Made it.
Good job.
I failed one time.
Good job. High five. You're the champion.
I don't want to watch it.
Didn't do the
I never want to watch this video.
Jesus. All right, here we go.
Oh!
Okay, sorry about.
Bad?
Yep, it's bad.
Drink the milk. Drink
Nope.
the milk.
You're supposed to eat it all first and then see how long you can go without it.
And it said 5 minutes.
Whew, okay, I'm gonna need to stand up. I'm gonna wash my hands right out of the gates because I will definitely forget to do that.
I think it's been 3 minutes.
It's been 1.
Try and do 5 minutes, it said.
I know what it said. We're gonna sample the actual beef and peas, legit Rachel Green Thanksgiving trifle that I made for myself to have to suffer through.
Jesus. It's not as bad as you would think it is. But the Raiders are 8-point favorites traveling to New York, to the Meadowlands where Jimmy Hoffa is famously buried.
My father helped build that.
I thought you were going to say your father helped bury Jimmy Hoffa.
No.
We're going to reveal some deep secrets on this.
No, Daddy
weird
worked
vlog.
on that, on building that. He was a teamster.
I'm probably going to put that in the title of this episode.
What?
Secrets of Jimmy Hoffa revealed, just as a tease. Let me write that down.
That is a good one.
I'm going to write down Jimmy Hoffa secrets revealed. Remind myself to put that in the title of the episode.
Oh, Daddy really did work there.
Cool, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Ohio State or Michigan State, what's it going to be? Toby's made his home in the box. I keep forgetting, like my wife told me, boxes are basically cat traps.
Go, Matthew.
Yeah, this is gonna work.
We should have done this last week.
I know, I can feel my ankles about to give out.
Make one of these.
There is one more thing, one last little part of this video. We're gonna go to Cracker Barrel, as we always do. I'm not gonna put that in the video, but after Cracker Barrel, we've got reservations to stay at the hotel tonight.
Do we really?
We do. So, we're gonna eat Cracker Barrel, do what we always do, then we're gonna come back over here, check out some more stuff at the hotel, and stay the night at the hotel. So, like I said, I thought we had a parking lot view, but come to find out, we've got a great balcony looking right out into the Delta. This turned out pretty awesome, and this is pretty sick. Wow, what a spectacular video compilation that was. Whoever edited that together deserves like an Oscar, I would say. It was me. So that wraps up 2020, the first year we ever had videos on this vlog, on this channel. Started March, April, I don't remember exactly, but to anybody who's watching these videos throughout the year, thank you so much. It's probably what got us through this year, was watching and making these videos and keeping ourselves active at times when it was mostly bored. I mean, doing the vlog forced me to find things to do to keep myself entertained, because if I hadn't been doing this, I probably would have just had no motivation to do anything all year long. So the vlog was very helpful to me. Hopefully it could have been helpful to you. If nothing else, it was entertaining and not boring, which I'm sure it was boring most of the time, but who cares?
That needs batteries.
If you saw something in this video that you liked and want to see the whole video, go back and find it. I'm too lazy to put all the links somewhere in this video, but they're all on the channel. Go find the videos that you thought you looked interesting and go back and watch them. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, because we're only going to keep going into 2021 or 2020 2.0, whatever you want to call it. Give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. Let's start the year on a good note with lots of thumbs ups. But for the time being, we're keeping with what we keep on saying, and we'll say once again, don't stand so close to me.